Something cool about the year was definitely meeting a lot of new people and learning all these interesting subjects that I haven't learned before.
At this time, all 7th grade Links Life classes are dismissed to the assembly in the gym. At this time.
This year has been great. The students have been so engaged and wanting to learn, and it made my job really fun. And I look forward to coming back every morning.
So, but they've been pestering him as far as getting access.
Thank you for coming to this last day of school, half day.
After this assembly, you are going to be dismissed by grade level to our field day. All right, sit back and enjoy.
You may head to field day. Have a great summer, everybody.
Something I loved about this school year is the ability for me to be able to make friends, and I feel like whenever I was down, my friends always were supporting me.
All the teachers were really flexible with our schedules, and they really understood how busy we were.
I just thought all the clubs and the sports were really fun, and I just loved all the friendships that I made throughout the school year.
This has been a very fun year, to say the least. We had a lot of high energy this year at PCMS, and I think our students this year really felt the community. So I'm very sad to see our 8th graders go, but looking forward to another great year next year.
No, they're winning.
I love PCMS because of all the great people over here.
I've loved my 6th and 7th and 8th graders. I can't wait to see what they do in the future, and I hope they all have a great summer.
I think school's really fun since I get to hang out with all my friends, and we get to spend a lot of time together. And I think the teachers are great. We learn a lot of stuff in school, and I love band since it's so fun and we get to play with everyone.
What I'm looking for next year at IHS middle school in 9th grade is keeping my stress level at a certain level and getting a great education and studying more.
Exciting last day of school. We had a great year here at PCMS, lots of great growth and progress for our students, academically, socially, all the above. Looking forward to maybe taking a little bit of a breath here, and then we'll get started thinking about next year.